Are you struggling with Revit as a beginner? You are not alone. In this video, I'll share simple but powerful Revit tips and tricks for beginners that will help you work faster, model smarter, and avoid common mistakes. Whether you are an architect or an architecture student, being beginner, or just starting out with Autodesk Revit, these tips will instantly improve your workflow. You will work with more confidence. Hello, welcome to Novel Architects Consult. Is this your first time here? Make it official. Tap the subscribe button, let's grow together and explore more ideas. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so you don't miss out. Tip number 1 is align. Work smarter but not harder. The shortcut for align is AL. Many beginners try to manually move walls, doors or furniture, which takes forever and it is not precise. To use the align tool, this is the icon. Click on it or you press AL on your keyboard. Click the reference line you want to align to. We are going to align this particular wall with this. So this is the reference line we are aligning it with. Click it, then click on this wall to move. See it as simple as that. Let's align this sofa right here with this other one. Use the align tool, click on the reference line, then click on the object to move. You see how it's aligned perfectly. This keeps your model clean and accurate. Tip number 2, copy with constraints. This is crucial when placing multiple doors, windows or furniture evenly. If you want to place in a particular direction, maybe vertically or horizontally, make sure to turn on the constraints. Let's use this for instance. If you want to make a copy of this sofa right here, select it, press CO to copy, select the object to make a copy. You see right now you can easily make a mistake, but when you turn on the constraint, it moves in two directions, either horizontally or vertically. Click on it, type in the distance and press enter. This trick saves you time and ensures your elements are always perfect. If you want to copy this object to another position, you can turn off the constraints. Let's copy to this place now. You must turn off the constraints before you can copy to another point. Tip number 3, temporarily hide and isolate elements. Sometimes your model gets crowded with too many elements. Hiding unnecessary elements makes your work faster. Now you can select the object you want to hide. Okay, let's use the windows for instance. Select all instances of the object you want to hide. Press HH to hide. You can do the same thing with the doors. Select the doors. Select all instances in the view. Press HH to hide. Now you can work without distractions. You can hide the dimensions or even the grid lines. See it as simple as that. To reveal the components you hide, click here, temporary hide and isolate. Click on it, reset temporary hide and isolate. So if you want to isolate some components, let's say you want to see only the wall, select the wall, select all instances in the view, click HI. Now you can work on the wall. Then to reveal it, reset temporary hide and isolate. This tip is a lifesaver for complex models, especially when working in 3D. You need to focus on what matters at that point to avoid distractions. Tip number 4, duplicate views. Beginners often redraw similar plans for furniture, dimensions or annotations. Do not do that. Head over to your project browser, right click the view you want to duplicate in the project browser, like the floor plan. Select duplicate, duplicate with detailing. Rename the new view to reflect its purpose, like you can rename to furniture. Do the same thing here. Duplicate view, duplicate with detailing. The other one can be dimensions, dimensions. Duplicating views always saves time and keeps your project organized. One floor plan can now serve multiple purposes. If these tips helped you, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. I post new Revit tutorials every week to help you design faster, smarter and cleaner. Let's make your most productive year in Revit.